Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Curt Deep Drop adjustable 2-ball mount for a 2-inch hitch. It has a 15,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this ball mount has the dual ball platform on it that'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The shank right up here is where it'll slide into your 2-inch hitch receiver opening, and then the balls up front will provide the connection point for your trailer coupler. If you notice the shank, it's an adjustable height shank, so it'll let you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. You can see the adjustment holes right here. The distance between them, center to center, is 1 1/4 inches, so it'll adjust in 1 1/4 inch increments. Now this is in the drop position, like I'm showing you right now. So if we move this ball mount to the lowest position it would go, that would get you a maximum drop of 10 inches, which would be from the top of the shank to the top of the ball platform. If we flip this shank over in your hitch and put it in the rise position, and then put this mount at the highest position, it'll get you a maximum rise of 9 inches. Basically, this ball mount will slide up or down along the shank, and then you secure it in place in these holes with the included pins and the vibration resistant clip. And the clip is a neat design. I wanted to show you a little more of that because it's a different design. Usually, and actually this used to have two clips that would go in here. You'd put one pin in, put a clip in, put a second pin in, put a clip in. To eliminate that, they decided to go with this vibration resistant clip, and it connects both pins together, keeps them from moving or vibrating. But the way the way to remove it is you just push this away, and you can see it pops off, and then it's connected to the top. And then you just slide it off the top. Whoops. Just like that. And then the clip will be removed, and then your pins are released. You just pull them out, and then you can move your ball mount up or down for whatever height you need, flip it around to whatever ball size you need. Once you get it in the right position, put your pins back in, take your clip, go and hook it to the top one, just like that. And then you swing this down. There's 2 grooves in these pins. You just push it into that groove, and you hear it clip, and now it's locked into place. And it puts tension on both of them to eliminate any rattling. The deep drop design on this is ideal for large or lifted trucks and SUVs. We mentioned it's a dual ball, so it has 2 different size hitch balls here to let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. It has a smaller 2-inch diameter, or you can flip it over and use a 2 5/16 diameter ball. And again, to switch the ball, it's the same way. You just remove the clip, take out the pins, flip it to what ball you need, put the pins back in, and clip it into place. Now, you can remove this ball mount and actually use this shank as a weight distribution shank if you need it. This is an anti-rattle design, helps to reduce towing noise. Basically, there's a rubber dampener that's located right in here in the middle of this ball mount. So when you put these pins in, you'll get rubber in there to give you a nice dampening. So there's no metal-to-metal contact between the ball mount and the shank. There's a rubber dampener to eliminate some of the towing noise. This is a high-strength forged steel construction. Has a nice durable carbide powder coat finish on the ball mount and on the shank. And you can see the chrome plating on the trailer balls will resist corrosion. Now when you do install this into your hitch receiver, it will require a hitch pin and clip or a hitch lock. Those are not included. We do sell those separately on our website. The pin hole diameter is a 5/8 inch diameter. Application again fits 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receivers. Now the gross towing weight capacity on this will be determined by what ball size you connect to. If you connect to the smaller 2-inch ball, it'll get you 10,000 pound gross towing weight capacity and 1,000 pounds tongue weight capacity. If you flip it over and use the larger ball, the 2 5/16 diameter, it'll get you 15,000 pound gross towing weight capacity and a 1,500 pound tongue weight capacity. Last thing I want to do is just give you a measurement from the center of the hitch pin hole to the center of the ball. So if we measure that from the center to the center of the ball, it's right at 11 inches. But that should do it for the review on this Curt Deep Drop adjustable 2-ball mount for a 2-inch hitch with a 15,000 pound gross towing weight capacity.